Hi, this is Scott Garibay here, and this is part of the Garibay Technology series. And basically, what I'm going to talk about today is kick. And this is a concept I've been thinking about for a while, and this is for anybody who's a knowledge worker who works in information technology. And this is specifically a video about the death of KISS. So KISS stands for Keep It Simple Stupid. We've all heard it. It's an acronym. There's a lot of acronyms in our field. And the acronym that I'm trying to launch now, I'm not sure if anybody else has thought of this, but this is my acronym. I've never heard anybody else say it. So the Garibay acronym that I feel is going to be transcendent going forward is KICK. And it is the opposite of KISS. So KISS stands for Keep It Simple Stupid, and KICK stands for Keep It Complex Knucklehead. Okay. Now, why am I talking about this? And the reason why is basically, I am extremely blessed to be an information technology professional, and I thank the Lord every day that I am an information technology professional. I thank my employers for allowing me to work in a technology field. But I'm like the rest of you guys and you ladies out there, and so basically I'm in the mix, right? So I'm helping to build software, good software that people are going to be able to use, right? So while we're doing that, we want to, write good code, deliver that, we want to test that code thoroughly, we want to deliver it cleanly, properly, with the right timing to the correct audience, to everybody who should get it and no one who shouldn't, right? So when we're in the mix of this, when we're working as teams in an agile environment or even in a non-agile environment, where you'll hear people say, "Keep it simple, stupid." They won't use the stupid say. They'll say KISS. Keep it simple. And I always think this is really interesting. But this is what the entire video is about. KISS is dead completely. We are past that age. Okay. So basically, if you're building software right now, doesn't matter what industry, whether you're in the pharmacy industry, whether you're in the banking industry, whether you build video games, whatever it is, KISS is completely and utterly dead. Okay. And the reason why is if you're building software right now, previously, 5, 10, 15 years ago, we built for functionality. We built software to do what we designed, okay? Those days are done. Building for functionality, building to do what you intended your software to do is the simplest, most ridiculously simple part of what we do, but it is where our work begins. The real complexity now, the real arbiter on whether your software is going to be successful or not is integration. How does your software work with other systems? How does it work with your own company's systems? How does it work with your company's partners? So like other companies who are doing the same thing with your company, okay? How does it work with your company's vendors, right? Companies that sell to your company, right? And then how does your software work with non-associated entities? Companies who your customers are using their systems while they're using your systems. A good example is anything that you create. If you create a report out to your customer, often that's a great point. PDF is a format that everybody uses. You have to make sure that your content will show up on a PDF, right? Is it exportable to a PDF, right? So, things like that. And there's tons of other non-associated entities. So integration is the real key now. And every piece of software out there that's being built needs to be fully integrated with your own systems, with your partners' systems, with your vendor systems, and with non-associated systems. That means that every single thing you are building is incredibly complex. Now, this is good news for us as IT professionals. Keeps us in demand. What we do is extremely hard. But this idea that we're going to keep it simple, stupid is ludicrous in 2014. What we're doing is so complex and so challenging that the idea that we're going to keep it simple is really ridiculous, right? So along those lines, so how do we continue to talk together without getting analysis paralysis, right? And that is, we remember that there is value in brevity and in clarity. So when you're talking about your product, make sure that you're clear and make sure that what you're saying is brief. Make it as succinct as possible, right? But don't pretend that you can make it simple. Virtually nothing that we create anymore is simple. So Kiss needs to go away. It just needs to go away. So Kiss is dead. All hail Kick. Keep it complex, Knucklehead. Thanks for watching.